let's get down to business. Give you one more night to get this. We've had a million nights just like this. So let's get down to business. Mama, please don't worry about me. I'm about to let my heart speak. My friends keep telling me to leave this. So let's get down to business.
What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome back to the channel. How you guys doing, man? It's your boy Robertson Cardoso back in business. That's right, we back in business for part 4 of live pocket option analysis and operations. Okay, and so let me get this out of the way. Okay, guys, let me get this out of the way. Um, we have a limited time to operate today. I wanted to do this live earlier today. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to. And I didn't want to just not do the live. I want to get in the momentum of doing a live every day, at least for until like Monday, from Monday to Friday. So I just didn't want to skip. I want to build up this momentum. And build up this commitment to come here every day, even if I operate for a little bit. So I just want to get this out of the way right away. I am what's going on right now is that you don't want to come here and operate on a limited time. Like, you want to just be relaxed and operate, and you don't want to force anything. And I feel just like, since it's a live that is going on, and I'm operating live. There's a little bit of pressure for me, obviously, because I haven't been trading for that long. But I do want to have this, saved up somewhere. Like, I want to have record of these trades that have been going on, because I want to look back, 5 years from now, 10 years from now. I want to look back and it was like, wow, this is how it started. I had this great idea of journaling my trades, and I want to make sure that you guys follow along this. I want to make sure you guys follow along to see how far I can take this account, or if I'm going to burn my account, or if I'm actually going to make some money, and how long would that take following this trading method. So I just want to make sure that you guys know that. I want to make sure that you know that you shouldn't be rushing into the market. However, the market is about to close. I'm going to be busy later on, so I won't be able to hop online. So I want to get this out of the way now. And what I did today is, instead of doing the analysis with you guys like I usually do, like I did in the previous videos, I did the analysis before I came live. Okay, so everything is done, ready to go. So all we're going to do is analyze the market, see an opportunity, and hop on it. Okay, that's what we're going to do. And I have everything set up already. I'm going to explain to you guys what I did, but I won't actually be doing it because it's already set up to go. So even the setup for the news, for the pairs, the payout, everything is set and ready to go. Okay, so before we get started, okay, I just want to read a disclaimer. Okay, so disclaimer. Trading and investing in stocks and binary option involves risks and is not suitable for all investors. The information in this presentation and in this channel is provided solely for informational and general education. Any strategies or any operational method discussed on this channel, okay, are strictly for educational and illustrative purposes only. All right, so now that we got that out the way, let's get it on and let's get it popping. Let me make sure, okay, that I just want to check how we're doing on the live video. Make sure we're not lagging or anything like that. Make sure we are good to go. Let me just make sure. Give me a second, guys. Give me a second. Make sure that we are on. And popping with this. Making sure that we are good to go. Let me see. Okay, seems like we are good. Seems like we are live and ready to operate. Okay, guys. So first and foremost, let me get some music going for us, okay? And then I'll double check how long we got left to trade. Let's see here. And today we're gonna go with jazz. Okay, that house music is beautiful music. I love it, but it's making me nervous. It's making me nervous. So we're gonna do with some jazz. I usually trade listening to jazz, so we're gonna go with jazz for today. Okay, guys, we're gonna go jazz. Please bear with me, and if you hear any ads in the background, I apologize. Okay, we're gonna go with jazz today. Okay. So we probably got like 20 minutes to trade. We'll probably most likely find an opportunity. I got everything set up, ready to go. Okay, so let me just get some music going. Okay, and we're gonna get on and popping. So let's go to pocket option right quick. Okay, here we are. So as you guys seen today, I've chose Euro versus Chef and Euro versus Odd. Euro versus Chef is paying 67 and Euro versus Odd is paying 70. Like I told you, today is not the best scenario, but I want to get this live going. I want to have this commitment, and I want to get this video out of the way. So today we're probably not going to be trading for a long time. However, I do want to get this video here. Tomorrow we'll probably spend a little bit more time. If we catch one trade today, it is what it is. If we don't catch any trades today, then it is what it is. But if we catch, 6 trades, not 6, but if we see 5 opportunities, we'll catch all 5 opportunities. Okay, guys, we didn't have a good trading session yesterday, so I'm looking to get this on and popping today. Seems like when we don't have a lot of times, I do good because that's what happened last Friday. So let's get started. So one thing that I want to do is I want to make sure that we get the stake that we want to go in. We get it right. So we have 4,681. Okay, and we want to know 5% of 4,681 is 234. So that's our TP. Okay, 234. I'm just going to round it up to 235. That's our TP. And 235 divided to 2, it's 117. I'm just gonna round it up to 120. Okay, and that's our stop loss. So our stop loss is gonna be 120. Stop loss. Okay, and then we want to have about 3 entrances. So 120 divided into 3, that's 40. Okay, so our entrances today is going to be, if I feel confident, okay, let me see here, 120 divided to 2, so it's gonna, if I feel confident, we're gonna go with 60. If not, we're gonna go with 40. Same thing as the other day, it doesn't change too much. So we already have 15 there. Okay, so we are good to go with this. This is set and ready. Okay, all right. And we are, oh my God, this dropped. Okay, let me see if I can find anything else. We're gonna stick with Euro Odd, and our USD is pretty strong, very strong. Chaff is strong, Odd is strong, and then Euro, NSD, and JPY is super weak. Okay, and then when I say super strong, it's like all the way. When I say super weak, it's all the way down. And if I say strong, it's just because the pair is not as the strongest that it can be. It's just strong. And then, if I say weak, It's not the lowest. It's like it's weak, but it's not at its weakest point. So Euro, NZD, JPY super weak. USD super strong. Chef and Odd is just strong. Okay. I see here that we have Odd, JPY, COD. Well, guys, since I have already an analysis done in Euro Odd, we're gonna work with Euro Odd but by any means necessary, do not take a trade, okay, less than 80%. That's why I want to do my lives in the morning, because we can get really good payouts in the morning. However, at this time it's really hard, okay? And I kind of want to, depending on how the graphic is, okay, I am going to try and do a new analysis on a new pair, okay? And let me see, USD, see here, Odd, Chef, nope. See here, USD, Chef, and Odd are super strong versus Euro, NZD, JPY. Okay, so we got Euro, that's the same, COD, Odd, JPY. So Odd versus JPY. Okay, let me just highlight this here. Odd versus JPY. Okay, we are looking for buys. Okay, Odd, JPY. We are looking for buys. And Euro versus Odd, we are looking for sales. Okay, Euro versus Chef. Wow, man, I did it's looking beautiful for an analysis, but it's only paying 50%. You know what? I'm just gonna leave it because we might catch something on there, even though it's a 50%. But by all means, don't take any trades at 50%, at 60, at 70, at even at 78. Sometimes I do at 78, but don't do it. It has to be 80 above. I can't stress that enough, okay, guys? Can't stress it enough. Can't stress it enough. I might end up some analysis on pocket option. I don't like to do analysis on pocket option, but I might just do that. And as I keep talking, the payout just keep on changing. But I might just do that for today, okay? I like to do my analysis on TradingView because we have a better, we can have a better view of the graphic. All right, okay. So let me just hurry up here before everything just blows. Oh my God, no way! These payouts are crazy. I don't know if I want to make any entrances, guys. If I do make an entrance, I'm just gonna put the 2.5% all at once, which is 120, and see what we can do, because these percentages are crazy. Oh my Lord. Just GBP. Okay, USD. Euro versus JPY. No. Oh man. USD versus COD. No. COD versus Chef. No. COD no. Euro. Alright guys, this is looking really. Let me see how long we got left. Okay. We only got 4 minutes left. Okay, so yeah, we only got 4 minutes left. This is no good. Let me try to catch one. We're gonna go for Euro Odd, just to see what's going on with Euro Odd. Okay. Oh man, I thought we were gonna have enough time. Okay, we're gonna catch a sell on Euro Odd. Okay, we're gonna catch a sell. Euro Odd, we're gonna catch a sell. We're gonna catch a sell. 1 minute sell. Let me put 120. Okay, our only trade for the day. 120. Okay, we're gonna catch a sell on Euro Odd. Now we're going, and we are in. We are in. Okay. Wow. My goodness, was that rushed? Was that rushed? Oh my God. Here we go. Come on, give me one win. Here we go. And I'll show you. I will show you guys my trading view analysis. So right here, it hit our support. Okay. It didn't hit our support. I mean, it didn't hit our resistance yet. Oh, God, I'm really stressed out that that we didn't have time today. You know what? I'm most likely am going to come back here tonight and do another session, because this is I'm really disappointed. Don't ever rush, guys. Don't ever rush. Let's go back here to our pocket option. Okay. We got. All right. So it was a win. Okay. So we took that win. The reason why I was a little and I wasn't very, but I really wanted to get this in. The reason why I wanted to get this trade in, okay, is because it was around my resistance level, okay? And since it was around my resistance level, okay, the sentiment was that it was going to drop, because it has respected that area a couple of times already, okay? I could tell you that I'm very happy that we won that trade, but I'm not, because it was rushed. But at least I went in with my stop loss, which is what I was willing to lose. And think about this, guys. Okay, most professional traders, they focus on what they are willing to lose more on their TP, more on what they're willing to win. Okay. So this right here was our one and only trade for today. The market is going to OTC. Okay. I don't trade OTC. I was thinking even in placing an OTC trade, but I'm just not going to do it. Okay. In 1 minute, we got 1 minute left. There you go. We got the charts are going into OTC. Let's see here. But eventually the price dropped. I had already analyzed this chart. I wish that we had caught it on a better with a better payout. I am going to go back to my trading view chart so I can show you guys. Okay, so right at this area over here, that's where we caught the trade. We caught the trade right around this area. Okay. And we caught it. Okay. Right there. Okay, so we caught it right there. So, as this candle came up, it came close to my resistance. Okay. And the sentiment was that the price was going to reach around this area and then fall back down. And that's what it did. But you guys see here that I have a green line. I have two green lines and a red line. So, as you guys know, and if you don't know, now you know, that support and resistance is not a line, okay? Support and resistance is an area, okay? It's a zone. So you can't just put your support and resistance lines and consider that to be where the price is going to return. It's just a zone where the price tends to have to resist, okay, in a resistance. So the zone, okay, my resistance zone in this case is all this over here, okay. It's from the green line to the green. So in between the green line, that's my resistance zone. Okay, so the price can come in here. Okay, and at any time it can come back. Okay, and now you're asking me, well, what's the red line? So the red line is what I like to call my decision making line. Okay, that's what it is. It's my decision making line. So, okay, so when the price we calculate like this. We put the first, this green line, the first one, okay, we put it at the body of the candle, okay, at the highest body of the highest candle, okay, at the body. And my second green line is at the end of the wick of the highest candle, okay. And if I put it on the 5-minute chart, you guys will be able to see it. Okay, so right there. Okay, so I'm starting to count from this touch over here on the left. Okay, let me see if I can use this. I'm gonna use this arrow since you guys can't see my mouse. Okay, there. Okay, so I'm starting to count from over here. Okay, so this is the highest wick that I have. Okay, so the green line, the green line on top, the highest green line goes on top of that wick, and then the first green line, okay, is right there at that body, okay, at the highest body that I have, highest wick. The further green line is the highest wick, and the first green line is at the highest body. And then what I do is I calculate what's halfway between those two lines, and that's my decision making line. Okay, so that's how I calculate my decision making line. Okay, and then once the price touches there, then that's when I catch the trade. Okay, and then when you do that, you're kind of customizing the type of operation you do, and then you have a high probability of being successful. Now, let's say that we didn't count this over here, okay, and eventually, you know, I'm waiting for the price to go over there, okay, and touch that red line, which it will go back there, and then we're waiting for it to drop to catch that trade. Now the market is in OTC. Pocket option has OTC markets open. I am not going to operate on OTC since I already said I don't operate in OTC. Maybe one day. I have a strategy for OTC, by the way. Maybe we'll use that strategy one of these days. Okay. However, let me bring. Let's say we started to count. Okay, from this over here. Okay, so my highest body will be that one. So my green line will go on the highest body I have, which is that one. Okay, and then my other green line would be at the highest wick, which would be where it's at right now. Okay, so, and then I would bring, and this is Euro Odd, okay guys, and that green line will stay where it's at right now. Okay, let me move this. Let me get this out the way so it doesn't. Okay, and then the red line is my decision making line. So my red line will go right in between the two green lines. Okay, guys? Alright, very good. So what happens here is, let me get my little arrow. Oops. So, let's say we have a first touch, okay? Have a first touch over here. We have a second touch On the third touch, which is over here, okay, let me bring this a little bit closer. Is this better? Okay. On the third touch, which is right here, at this green arrow, the price touched, and that's where you'd make your entrance, okay? And then you can see that the next candle, the price drops, okay? So we have, after 3 touches, some people like to do 2 touches. If you can do 2 touches, it will still work, okay? But if you're working on the decision-making line, you probably have more less entrances, okay? So starting over here, first touch, okay? Second touch, and let's say that you do 2 touches, okay? Okay, this would be your third touch. Your third touch, that would be a win 2. This would be your fourth touch. That would be a win 2. On your fifth touch would be a win 2. And on your sixth touch would be a win 2. Okay? But these 2 touches right here are not coming up to the decision making line. Okay? So I'm not counting those. So I'm counting first one right here. It came all the way up. Okay? Second one. Okay? And with my second touch, with my third touch, okay, so let's say that this was my third touch, I would already be able, okay, to build my resistance over here with the 2 green lines and the red line, okay? So, green line over here and the green line down here. Because this first green line over here, it catches that wick, okay? And the second green line right here, it catches this body right here. Okay, and then I have my decision making line, which is the red line all the way across there. Okay, so if you want to use just one line, you can. However, I'm using the decision making line. Okay, so we have our first touch over here again, one more time, second touch, and you can count this as your third touch. Okay, but then you only count as a touch, right? Because you want to make sure that it touches a few times before you can consider it a resistance. So you can consider that as your third touch if you want, okay? And then here, would you go for it? No, because it hasn't reached your decision-making line. So you count 3 touches. The 3 touches, it could be anywhere of these, okay? But then you only get in once it touches your decision-making line. So for example, would you go in here? Yes, because it touches your decision-making line. And would you go in here? Yeah, we would, right? Because it's it would touch your decision-making line as well. Okay, it became very close, and then it dropped, and then this is where we caught that operation. Okay, this is where we caught that operation, which was a win. And as you can see, oh look, over here as well. And these right here has just happened after I started showing the graphics. So I'm really happy that this happened, so you guys can see that it's really respecting it. The only reason why we're not catching that right now is because the market is in OTC. So as you guys can see, this candle right here was the one that we caught it. So the market, that's why I made the entrance, okay? Because it came very close. The price came very close to our decision-making line where I wanted it to go. And here, the price touched our decision-making line. And if you had gone there for a sale, you would also make some money because the price here is dropping. Now, this is on the... sorry about that, guys. This is on the 5-minute chart, okay? And we caught the trade on the 1-minute chart. So let's just go to the 1-minute chart and take a look, okay? Yeah, so this is where I caught the trade now that we went with all of our stop loss, which was 120, okay? Which is 2.5% of our whole... which is 2.5% of our whole bank, and the price came very close to our decision-making line. and we had 2 minutes left, so I just decided to take it. Luckily, it went. Luckily, it worked out. But it wasn't something like, oh, I'm just gonna go in here. Like I had an idea that it was close to that line. That's why I made the entrance, and we won. Here, we would have won again. The price touches there, come back down, and here, price touched over there. If you had gone in operation for the next candle, which is this one, you would have won it too. Okay, so that's why you guys are seeing 3 lines, 2 greens, and a red one. Okay, over here, in this part over here, green candle over here touched our decision making line. Okay, touched our decision making line, and then it bounced right back down. Okay, so this would be a win too. This one over here, it would have been a win too. However, I only make trades on the decision making line. Okay, I wouldn't have caught this trade, but if you do, then it would have been a win as well. Okay, let me just keep scrolling. Let me just keep scrolling. And oh. And here this wouldn't have counted because this is where we made our analysis, and we were just waiting for the price to go back there. So the market over here is not on a downtrend or an uptrend. It's a lateral market. And just so you guys know, okay, I make these lines finding my support and resistance zones. I make these lines on the 5-minute chart. Okay, so I make it on the 5-minute chart, and then I operate on the 1-minute chart. And I some of these lines are also they are also established based on my 15-minute chart. Okay, so the lines are on the 15 minutes and 5 minutes, and then we go ahead and we operate on the 1 minute time frame. All right, guys. I think that's enough for today. We caught that trade. We went 1-0 today on the market. That's nothing wrong with that. I don't know if I'm gonna come back tonight after the market opens. Let me just before we wrap up, I just want to go back to pocket option, and okay, so this is the trade that we did today. I guess the market was closing at 4:45, and we caught it at 4:42. This here is wrong. I have to. I don't know how to fix this time in the website, but it's right here. It says it's 11 at night GMT. Okay. So this was the trade that we caught today. Let's go over this trade a little bit. We had a profit of $74.40. The time that we got it was 4 o'clock 41 and 5 seconds, and the operation closed at 4 o'clock 42 minutes and 5 seconds. When the price opened, it was at 1.43,942, and it closed at 1.43,941. Okay, so it was very, very close, very, very close. I didn't know it was that close because I was on my trading view. I was on my trading view chart. However, this is the thing about binary option. It doesn't matter if it's 1 point or if it's 10 points. If it's a win, it's a win. And I'm glad that we came up on top today. So our profit was 74. Let me see here what that is in percentages. Okay. So we started at let me see here. Okay, so today we were at 4,681, and right now we're at 4,755. So today we had a 1.6% of our account growth. Okay, and we were looking for 5%. That's what I always look for. However, I'm not mad at all because in reality, we came up on top. So obviously, we started at 5,000. We're down to 4,755. We are down, but this is only our 4th time operating. I'm pretty sure that we're gonna catch up. Keep doing the right thing. Be persistent and consistent. And I'm gonna prove to you guys that it is possible with the right mindset. It is possible to make some money in the trading world. But more importantly, I wanna do this also for myself, because I know as of right now nobody's watching, but I want to do this for myself. Keep journaling my trading. Keep an agenda. Make sure that I always review this. If you guys want to do this, by all means, record yourself trading. Try to find out where you went wrong, where you made mistakes, and try to find out where you went wrong, where you made mistakes, and try to get better. Okay, try to always get better. Okay, so as you guys can see, all of the market right now is in OTC. I might come back tonight. If I do come back tonight, I'm going to consider part 5 A session and B session. Okay, first and second session. But if not, I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay. Anyways, guys, you be safe. Okay. Have a good rest of your day. And I will see you guys. Tomorrow, okay? And then tomorrow, man, we're gonna make some money tomorrow, man. Alright, we're gonna make some money tomorrow. I'm really trying to make some money tomorrow. You guys have no idea. Alright, so tomorrow we're gonna make sure that we get this popping, okay? We get this popping. Anyways, guys, take care, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Let me just close it down like we always do. You heard? Be safe, guys. Be safe.
Let's get down to business. Give you one more night to get this. We've had a million nights just like this. So let's get down to business. Mama